Okay, that's the limit switch installed by the master Matt Martinson on TMA number 22. That's so when the customer puts the aero board down, they don't just keep unwinding the spool, fucking up the cable, which has happened twice already. And since we are so awesome down here, this is a demonstration of our godlike status when it comes to fabrication and install. So go ahead, Matt, let her down. Now Matt didn't stop that switch, that little limit switch did. Go ahead and go back up. Okay, now go back down. Perfect. The cable is still tight, and the spool is not unwound and all fucked up like it's gotten to be in the past.